there, Morant there, 30 kilometers. Christmas season look, you look happy and smiling.
Well, me have a smile.
We was Christmas in far away better, you know.
Bogle. No girls them can want it out there by the female population. Right out there, so I love them. Brag it up, brag it up. You can do it. Go please, and Christmas. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. Big Super is here. Yeah, we're there. Morant there. Yeah, people, we're there at the town. Morant there. Yeah, we see a sign here. What the sign is now? 30 kilometers. Yeah, that's what the sign says, people. Sign says 30 kilometers. Big Super will take a walk through the town of Morant Bay. I will go down at where the Christmas tree they down at the road at Elder Park, because I want to see what the preparation is like. What's the preparation like for the Christmas lighting and the fireworks? So right away, I can report to you, so I see some road work take place where them clean up the sidewalk and them do some paving and patching to enter the town, around the town and all these things. So I'll go through the town, people, talk with one and two folks and hear what's the preparation for Christmas look like. So stick and stay, people. A Big Super is on the ground. Yeah. Me just a warm up, people. Big Super just a warm up. 8:51 in the morning, Friday, December the 15th, 2023. Big Super is out here. Some of viewers and sub, to the right at the taxi stand, Morant Bay here. And me just a walk through the town, because I go check. You know, Christmas season now come up. I'm going to talk with one and two of the people, them vendors, anybody, to find out Christmas lighting and all, fireworks and everything that come up on Sunday. So we want to know. So we have a outspoken lady here. I know I love her. She's up on my camera. How the Christmas season look? You look happy and smiling.
Well, me have to smile now because God give me one more chance.
One more chance God give you? If you
I
know,
have a purpose now.
It's a purpose. I believe so.
I shall serve.
I believe so.
Yeah, man. The Christmas season, all me have to encourage the people then. Make sure you give the kids them what they need, not what they want.
Okay.
Because in the end of the day, if we spend some unnecessary money, we are going to feel it in the January, February.
Yeah, light bill.
Yes, light bill. I never talk about it because I don't want nobody know what I have done. And you don't really buy nothing at all you know you don't normally sell. Because in an idea, they say if it not sell and you don't get back no money to pay back the loan, now you can't be able to sell it in the February.
Okay.
So it's what I sell throughout the year and want to say I go. Like things where I sell. You understand?
Yeah.
And just live the best.
Live the best.
Live clean.
Yeah. You plan to do any baking?
Bake? Me can't bake.
You can't bake?
No, sir, me can't bake.
You have to learn to bake one.
No, man, nobody, me can't, me not no time for bake, you know, because in a day and a day, me dey on the road every day.
Yeah, me see that.
So, me have to hustle my own.
Yeah.
Anytime me take the day, you must know, say, arrest me, arrest.
Arrest,
so,
yeah, arrest.
Anyone, me and them involved, them have to know around the kitchen and all. But
yeah, them have to do that side there while you do the other side.
No, they not have to do that side there, you know, but them have to help out, you know. Yeah, one hand can't clap, you know.
True.
One have to help the other, you understand?
Yeah, man.
So, we not spend unnecessary money. Put on some for your rainy day.
I know when January and February hit, you know.
You. Tomorrow not provide for itself if you not provide for tomorrow, you know.
If you not provide for it.
Provide for tomorrow.
Alright, my people, here from the outspoken vendor. All I want to say now, I hear she speak again.
Yeah.
On the year right now.
Alright.
Take care of yourself. We are go through the town. Some of viewers and some, we they right down at the taxi stand and we are walk through the town. Hold on there. How come you looking for that? You always, anytime you come against a lady, you always there.
Because I'm a driver, I have some work.
I have your work?
So that I think about it.
What going for the Christmas?
With me?
Yeah.
Why would we do it coming and then postpone it?
You always make me laugh. You always make me laugh.
No, that's the postpone it.
Them tell them I light up the Christmas tree and them do some fireworks. I must see Sunday coming.
Okay.
So me say me have a walk and look on the grounds and look on the preparation and just talk to 1 and 2 people and update the community on what go on.
That's good still because the Christmas tree will light up the show.
Yeah.
And the place will look good.
And the place will look good.
Yeah, but we have one bigger tree and the Christmas tree to deal with right now.
Talk to me.
Because we have one tree out of Port Morant where they were with the landslide cut way. With the whole tree with them exposed now. So that tree can cut down on people anytime.
No, me go there look on it.
Yeah.
Which part out of Port Morant is there?
Before we go to Peter Tire shop we get this up.
Okay.
You see? That tree can cut down anytime tree can cut down.
No, go do an exclusive on it.
Yeah man, because but I'm afraid to drive past it.
That's a good sign that.
No,
you know the alternatives work. They work after, you know, they don't work before.
Before, yeah, aye.
So me I go out there go look on it.
Because then just believe it's a disaster built country.
Yeah. So thank you for update me upon that here.
Yeah man, respect.
Alright, we have go through the town people and we have one on one.
The tree lighting there, but there, you know.
You have there the tree lighting? So people who can turn out and see her. Yeah, we there, she have a whole heap of things there.
It's a mobile
It's a mobile arbor that she run.
See
that people? So when they come in at the town of Morant there, they just come round at the taxi stand. Arbor dash then at the back of the van.
Of course.
More blessings here.
Aye.
So maybe you want to see it. So Big Super is on the ground. And we just have one on one talk with some of the people them. Here we are going for the Christmas tree. Because we want to take a look on the Christmas tree and show it a come on. Hi beautiful girl, you're not leaving on your party for me. You want to take a look and see what going on. We want to see what going on with the Christmas tree and all these things. So stick and stay people. Big Super is heading through the town of Morant Bay. So my viewers and sub. From my bus the pista place here, right in front of Deluxe. From my bus, Albert Pista. See the people, the place turn up. Yeah, me, so the man can't be sleeping in bed. All when the pizza shop lock, them a call him and say they want pizza. You can imagine that? You can imagine that? Come out of the road, driver. Yeah man, so we're there right at the courthouse people. We're there in the vicinity. We're there in the vicinity of Paul Bogo Square. Yeah, we're there in the vicinity of Paul Bogo Square people. Yeah. Well, go on, my general. I'm glad to see you. I want an update on the Christmas. How it look for you, how it look for Morant Bay overall.
I know, I tell you the truth. Previous Christmas is far way better, you know.
Far way better than this.
But we still not give up hope, you know.
Yeah.
Still have hope for the best, cause the best is still to come, you know.
Yeah, man. So you say you're going to do the Christmas lighting, you're going to do the fireworks. Sunday, I think, most likely.
It all depends on the planning, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yes, fine.
Alright, more blessing, mommy. Right. You eat your breakfast. Alright. Some of you can see, so we are touch base one on one with the people them and talk with them. We're there in the heart of Paul Bogo Square. See the sign there, people. See the sign there. Paul Bogo Square. Big Super is inside the building. Yeah. We are going through Morant Bay, people. We're going through the town of Morant Bay. Hello, yes sir. Yeah, we like where the fruits man are going with. We know why we got the fruit man here. Fruit man we can big you up. Yeah, see it there, people. Look on the stall. And yeah man, no problem. You don't want the girls them can want it out there by the female population. Right in the town of Morant Bay. Go on do your thing. Yeah. Wanted by the female population people. Yeah man, Big Super is here. We're on the ground. And we are walk through the town. Yeah. I walk through the town. Hello, sweetie. We are walk through the town of Morant Bay. Yeah, it's early, it's Saturday morning, and it looks like it's got busy. We get little showers of blessing earlier on and things, and keep the place cool. The place cool. Me like when the place cool. Yeah. Me a man love when the place cool. Me can't take when the place too hot. Yo, my big agenda. Oh, go on, how Christmas look? Man, of course. Yeah, my viewers and subs, so Big Super is on the ground. And Morant Bay. Yeah, hi sweetie. Yeah, we are going through. And we are going to touch base with one of our friend them. And here we are going. For the Christmas, so stick and stay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Brag it up, brag it up, brag it up, brag it up.
What one Jamaica?
What one? Christmas.
Here and there, we broke.
You broke?
Yes.
I hope the man broke you before the New Year's done. Yeah, man, I hope the man broke you before Christmas. Alright, brag it up. More blessings. Yeah, man. Everything good, man, everything good. So we are going through the town. Morant Bay. People stick and stick. Some viewers and stuff. Morant Bay start to get busy. Morant Bay start to get busy early. So we are walk. Yeah. We are walk and we are look on the town. We are look on the preparation for the Christmas light and the fireworks. Big Super is on the ground. In at the town of Morant Bay. So my favorite part of the people. Tasty party. Yeah, hello sweetie, how are you? You're looking nice. Wow, I love the hairstyle. Yeah. So my favorite part of the people. Tasty party. My favorite part of that. I don't care what nobody wants to say. Everybody have them favorite. Big Super have few one. People, me the right at the stove, man. Me the right at the lane of Browns Lane there, barefoot. See it there? See it there, people? I will if a product in my deal it around there, I go on good, don't it? Talk to people. When your stove I give problem, you can pass around there so, and stop right at the stove, man. He's not there about, but in the right, a barefoot location of people. So, stick and stay, people. Big Super. We have to take a walk. We are going to Rudolph Felder Park. Because we want to see what really are going on. My Lord. We want to see what really are going on with the preparation of the lighting of the Christmas tree and the fireworks. Some of you are some. They're in at the town of Morant Bay. And I head to the Rudolph Felder Park. Good morning, sweetie. How your Christmas look? But your Christmas look nice, man, because you have a plate in your hand. I love them. You know, I always love them flag when I see put up right out here, so. People, talk the truth. Right out there, so I love them flag them. I like to them. Just as you enter in the town of Morant Bay, you see them. See one taxi bridge in our mind. Lock off your radio. Lock off your radio. Let me ask you the question. How the thing look for the Christmas, or the work look?
The man them not do a good work on the road. You see, you call about them, they need to change. They're too small.
Yeah.
I need to flood out Lysa, Richard, Prospect. You need a better drainage system. Then they can work.
Then they can
Then
work.
they look up black pipe, then I put in. Rain a fall regular, but you see when it's ready for rain,
yeah.
at trouble.
At trouble. I'm going to ask you something to do away from the call about. Because we are going to the Christmas season. You're going to come at the park Sunday for the fireworks and the lights and the tree and all these things.
Well, you don't know, you know, people will come here because you don't know a holiday and everybody want to meet together and, you know what I'm saying?
Alright.
So, yeah man, that's to go on still, nothing wrong with it.
Alright,
so,
big up yourself.
Because just the season, you know man.
I just the season.
Yeah man, so everybody have to greet each other and be
And
nice.
you hear that, the #1 taxi driver in St. Thomas. What's your name again?
Me? I Crawford this man.
Crawford.
I Crawford this.
Alright, then you hear that, people.
Yeah man.
Drive safe.
Yeah man.
Alright. Yeah man. Some people, he might complain about the black something them. Well, me know so them not good for a morning. But in a Christmas season, you know, you understand, I enter the Sir Rudolph Felder Park. Big Super is inside the building. You know me love look for sign, people. So me there at the intersection of that. South Avenue and Queen Street. Yeah. But they're right at the intersection, people. And I look on the preparation we're going in at the Sir Rudolph Elder Park, you know. Yeah, I'm going to take a trip to see what's going in at the Sir Rudolph Elder Park. Oh, the Christmas look for the, oh, the thing looks coming up for the Christmas. So I'm up on the board there, people. And I'm going to show you that, man. Yeah. Don't turn on your face. But see, I'm paint up the place here, people.
Alright.
Yeah. The place. Because I know you don't want to go on camera because you don't want your girls them overseas see and say, wait there. I lie.
Hey, I want to go on.
Wait there, talk up the things there, man.
Yes, Big Super. We there fix up the park.
Yeah.
You know, it's Sunday the big thing down here.
Sunday are the big thing.
Yeah, tree lighting and fireworks.
When you hear that, people?
All of them things there.
Crocus bag of things.
Yes, man.
So you can forward.
See you here,
in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Alright, now look where I go. I look on the Christmas tree.
Alright.
Alright, peace and love.
Yes, super.
Yeah, man. So I'm up on the grounds, people. I'm up on the grounds at the Sir Rudolph Elder Park. I notice the grounds cut nice and clean. And it's a prepare. That means you know, so when you pass that through Sunday, you're going to see the mayor, the council and the team and everybody are line up themselves. Even the MP, Miss Charles, everybody are line up themselves for Sunday. Big event. So I'm going to take a look on the fountain before I go look upon the Christmas tree. Upon the Christmas tree, I'm going to end the black people. But I go over the fountain, yeah. The area prepare, nice and clean, well cut and lawn up. So I know say by the course of the day, all of them things are finish up. And I see some kids way over in the distance. I enjoy the swing song. And Big Super, I'm going to end the vlog right on the Christmas tree. So, people, I hope you enjoy the little walk what we make for showing you the preparation of the lighting of the Christmas tree and the fireworks to take place coming Sunday. So, remember to like, share, remember to subscribe, remember to turn on your post notification bell. People, watch out the ads, and if you can donate, please and thanks, donate to the channel. Big Super and the grounds at Sir Rudolph Elder Park. Saying to you guys, peace out.